As the premier institution of higher education and research in Western New York and flagship university in the SUNY system, it's altogether fitting that UB be the home of Empire AI. It'll be the first of its kind AI research center and a hub of collaboration between SUNY and several other prestigious private institutions. With historic funding invested from both public and private dollars, this demonstration of commitment is an extraordinary vote of confidence in UB and its role on the cutting edge of science and technology. And as Dr. Govindaraju said, we've been doing it here for a long time, so it's only fitting that this center be located right here. In a recent op-ed, SUNY Chancellor John King described AI as perhaps the most consequential technology of our time. And while there's great potential in AI, we must also be prepared to deal with possible downsides, abuses, misapplications. I'm confident that the best and brightest minds will be here and collaborating here at UB to develop AI for the greater good. I feel much better about it now that we have it in the hands of academics, and especially here at UB. So I'm thrilled that UB, SUNY, and New York State will be on the forefront of this new technology and play a pivotal role in how we understand and interact with AI in both the near and distant future. And I just look forward to the potential of this center here at UB. Thank you so much.